Hey guys, where did that crack come from? Anyways, hey guys, it's Blotchipoo. Today I'm going to be doing another fun challenge. Today I'm going to try to draw a cat in my sketchbook, my handy dandy sketchbook. And I'm going to do that in fursuit with paws on and limited vision. Well, without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Okay, so first I gotta open the sketchbook. I will show the picture when I am done. Oof, embarrassing. Oh yikes. Oh my gosh, all my fanfics. Maybe I'll show you guys my My Hero Academia fanfics sometime. There we go. Oh, the crapioka is my pencil. There it is. Got it. Got my pencil. Ignore my poodling. I don't have legs. So first I'm going to get the lid out. Now let's begin drawing. Oh, this is going to be so much more difficult. Oh boy. I'm just going to draw like a basic cat. So oh my god, it's already looking really bad. Oh boy. Now for the eyes. Oh my god. I guess it's gonna look a little more abstract. Like I can already see that I messed up the eye. Now for the nose. And the mouth. I'm gonna give it little fangs for like the Halloween thing. And the inner ear for them. Maybe a small little tuft. Okay. And I am not even going to attempt shading it at all because, like, okay, honestly, I know it's fall. Yay, finally summer is over. Also, because I'm a witch, if you are a fellow witch, whether you are male, female, non binary, whatever gender you identify as, but you are still a witch or Wiccan, happy Mabon. I think that's how you pronounce it. Is it? I think. Anyway, happy Mabon. Hopefully you have your altars up with your cornucopias and your nuts and leaves and berries and apples. And if you're underage, please do not drink wine. Apple cider is also perfectly okay. I personally don't like wine, so I'm going to be drinking apple cider. Because, like, as they say, wine is an acquired taste. Anyway, here is my cat for the reveal. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's the cat. That's the cat. Oh, that's the cat. I don't know if you can see it. I can't see it. It's the cat. I'd say it's okay for paws and fursuit vision with glasses underneath that are kind of fogging up. But hey, comment down below if you want me to draw anything else. I won't be able to get to it today, or well, not all of them today, but I hope to possibly make more videos, and possibly make a living out of doing this, because personally, I mean, I love my retail job, but it's just not enough. I was thinking about making a Patreon. So if you want to make a Patreon, if you want me to make a Patreon, let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, I guess that's it. So without further ado, I'm going to end this video right here, right now. If you liked what you see, go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you want to get all the notifications, hit that bell next to the subscribe button for a ring-a-ding-ding on the Blotchipoo train. Woo woo! By the way, in case you guys don't know where the whole Blotchipoo train comes from, I really like trains. And no, I'm not going to be quoting the ASDF song. I just like trains because they're just cool. They're just cool. Like, they have a lot of history behind them. Just like planes, cars, bikes, they all have, anything around here has history behind them. And personally, I think trains are cool. So, I mean, yeah. Anyway, like I said, I'm gonna end this video here and now. I am going to be uploading some more videos hopefully soon. I know I have said that a lot, but I actually plan to make another video tomorrow when I'm off work with some more art pieces that I have in mind, or any that you may have, any ideas that you may have to draw. Keep in mind, I do not like drawing feathered wings or beaks. So please, no birds, griffins, angel dragons, duchies. Please don't make me draw those. It's not that I'm bad at drawing them. It's just they're really time consuming, and I just don't have the patience for it. But anyway, see you guys later. Bye.